Wow, Guan. Babe, we started. Bring your ass in the camera.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, my sis. You don't know say a girl with me.
Hey, it's your boy Jesse.
And welcome back to our channel. Jessie loves Whitney.
Yeah, we back with another video, and today's video is going to be a workout video, you guys. A couples workout video. So if you guys getting out of shape during this quarantine, we're going to show you what we do so we stay in shape. Some fun workouts, so full body workout. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So the first workout is going to be a push-up slash sit-up. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing push-ups, and she's going to be doing sit-ups. We're going to do it the couples way. 10 reps. You want to go for 2 to 3 sets. So. Ready? Alright, ready? Follow the lead. You go down, I go down.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. That boy. You kicked my chin.
It's so weird at this angle.
You look like you straight in the shit. Is you counting?
Nope. Let's do 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. Come on. All right, the next one is for core. This is this one.
Set, go.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
So then you reverse. Let's go.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10. You gonna give me carpet burn? Why you being weird? So the next one is going to be push-ups and squats. So you're working your legs, your chest. Well, we're doing push-ups. You're working everything. You're working triceps, biceps, forearms, all of that. Back. Lay down a little bit. So I'm just gonna lock my legs on. Alright, ready? You don't gotta hold my legs. I should be able to just post it up on you.
Okay.
Alright, when you go down, I go down. All right?
Ready,
Yep.
set, go. 2,
Yep.
3,
Yep.
4,
Yep.
5,
Yep.
6,
Yep. Come on.
7.
Yep.
Wait, come back up.
Oh.
Ready? 8,
Yep.
9,
Yep.
10. That one didn't work good.
This is why we can't get a workout done quicker.
Get up. Ninja Turtle.
Alright. So the next workout is going to be a wall sit slash dips. Ready? Let's get.
Ready?
Use your legs out there. Yep. And 10. Yep. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So this next one is calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright guys, so this next one is it's a little bit more advanced. So if you're at that stage in the workout game, this one is for you.
Alright.
Some more over your waist. Yeah. Like that. And then because of my ankle bracelet, it's like...
Lock up. Alright. Go ahead. Yep. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I was slipping, so we can only do so much.
And that one is a little tougher.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Let us know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to follow our Instagram, guys, at Jessie_loves_Whitney. Alright?
Yep, most definitely.
And let us know what you think in the comment section or even on our Instagram. Let us know what you think. What are your suggestions for this workout? Like, how many times should they do it?
Okay, again, like I said earlier. Matter of fact, I think I said 2 to 3 earlier, but I meant 3 to 4. So you want to do each workout about 3 to 4 sets. All right. There's a difference between reps and sets. Sets is how many times you do the workout. Reps is how many you do within the workout.
set. Yeah.
So 10 push-ups, let it be 10 reps, but that's one set. So when I say sets,
so 10 times 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want to do about
so 30 total, right? Okay.
Yeah. So you want to do about 3 to 4 sets of each workout if you want to see some massive gains.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If you care about yourself, you take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's how we do. We try to stay in shape, even during quarantine. There's some stuff you can do with your family, your friends, or your significant other. So
right.
I think that was pretty fun. So.
All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video upload. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell, and again, follow our Instagram. Tell a friend to tell a friend about our channel, and like, subscribe, and share.
All right. Till next time.